Now, dictionaries are mutable, so if you want to add or change items after its creation, let's say we have a dictionary, we have my dict, and say we want to add an email, and if we put this equals to, let's say it's max at xyz.com. Now remember, this is put it as a string. If we print here, we print my dict. If we print it here, as you can see, the first dictionary didn't have the email, but after adding an email, we were able to see our email is here. So as you remember, I said earlier that dictionaries are mutable, so we can add or remove elements from the dictionary. If we do the same thing again for the key which already exists, for example, let's try to change this here. Say x max at xyz.com. So let's see what happens here. If we print this, we see the max at xyz was replaced by xmax. So we have to be careful here that if you create, the element which already exists is going to be overwritten.